Mag-vlog ka pre? Mamaya na, kumakain tayo.
Tungo na. 3 oras na tayo dito kasi nakain eh. So yung kasama ko mga tropa. Tropang Wagyu. Boss King, nangyari sa'yo?
Food coma.
Bakit Wagyu Nico?
Meat grilling.
Meat grilling, yeah. Now I know. Ano Kel? Ano masasabi mo sa salmon? Owishi o Owishi Naiku?
Uishi.
Owishi.
Uichi.
Yeah.
Uichi mo ah. Arigato gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu too.
Okay, kaya mates.
Ayun.
Sumigaw ka ng irishaimasu eh. Kumaano rin sila.
Oo.
Subukan natin ulit.
1, 2, 3. Irishaimasu!
Diba? Para silang may sensor.
Hep nga.
Hep hep!
Galing, galing. So yun guys, saan nga to Kuya King?
Ay, huwag kayo pumunta dito sa branch na to kasi hindi ko branch to. Pero yung branch namin sa may BF Aguirre. 146 BF Aguirre. Parang
6 BF Aguirre guys.
Bulgoli.
Bulgoli?
Bulgoli which is comes from... Saan yun?
Mali ko sa'yo.
Mesopotamia. Ano yun? Ibig sabihin mo sa Bulgoli?
Fire meat.
Fire meat. So it means parang it gives you a... fire.
Niluto sa apoy.
Niluto sa apoy. Binago na. let we taste it.
Yes, yes. Taste the katsu. In English bro.
When I eat,
Bumuelo pa? Bumubuelo pa? When you eat?
when I eat food, I just added some cheese to give it its extra flavor. When I
Yes.
taste it. So let me taste it or let you taste it.
I'm confused.
Toast.
Toast. Wagyu.
Ano yung, anong pangalan ng store? Boss King Wagyu Nego.
Boss King Wagyu Nico. Wow. Owishi. Ikaw, Arj. How's the food?
12
12?
out of 10.
Oh, you're making bola to
Ay,
the
hindi.
boss, ah?
Wala kasi akong binayaran. Who in paying?
How much? The rate. You, Boss King.
For me, it's 101.
So what are you waiting for? Come here at 146 Aguirre Street, Baguio Nico by Boss Madam. Boss, ano nga address daw dito?
Gloria Diaz Street, BF Resort, Las Piñas.
Okay, narinig nyo guys ha. So punta na kayo sa 146 Aguirre Street, Baguio Nico.
Nice one, baby.
Nice one, baby.
Joker ka, ha? Vlogger ka pala?
Vlogger ako ha. Hello, my friend.
My friend, ATV, you know what to do. Yalla Habibi, let's ride all of this ATV motorbike. Come to Mountain Quest, okay?
Naalala mo na naman si Yo, pre.
Hindi, pre. Baka nandun siya sa Montalban, pre.
Anong ginagawa?
Nag-ATV mag-isa.
Nag-ATV. Malamig dito, no? Lamig. Play mo dito.
What? Kaya nga ang cold na sa'yo nito.
Ha? Di ba mag-ATV tayo? Ba't parang pang SM yung attire mo?
Ganyan tayo may manamit.
Kala niya daw kasi mamimili kayo sa ano eh.
Sa?
Moose gear.
Muski. So guys, ang call time kasi namin ay alas 8. Bakit ba kasi ganun, pre? Si my friend natulog
7 o'clock.
7.
8 o'clock. No, because he told 8 o'clock. I thought Arabian time. He didn't tell Philippine time. Wrong
Ma-
time. My reason is valid. What is your reason?
Mulat na mulat pa to. Oh.
Bakit? Bakit? Maga ako nagising.
Halatang halata, pre ah.
Nihintay ko nga kayo eh.
Nakasi Odi ni Michael. Pati
At least malakas ako.
Thank you po.
Ate Lani, ang sarap ng kape nyo ah.
Thank you.
Thank you for the treat.
Penge isa pa.
Okay, bukas.
Bukas. So yun guys, punta kayo kay Ate Lani's Coffee. At dito nyo malalasahan ng sarap ng San Mateo.
Gano'ng kasarap, pre?
Ganto,
Gano'ng kasarap, pre?
masarap. Tang ina mo.
Fuel for adventure.
Don't you think you're better off where the neighbors don't
Hey! Andito na tayo, pre! Andito na tayo, pre!
I know you never giving up unless it's real. A slippery slope, it's not enough to please you.
Ang mga ibon.
Stone cold star. She was a winner, started working at the dawn. Says it's on her mind to count your blessings, 'cause it's time they fail. Put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. It is the ugly truth, how they come for you. It's the missed opportunity train. It only comes on a very blue moon. Think twice, and you missed it again. Waiting in line for the party to end.
Ay, sa wakas. Pero inaantay lang namin si Steve, no guys?
Reality gets old. There's no point to being careful. Learn the rules to the game before you lose your mental. Pretty Caroline.
So ayun nga guys, nakarating na tayo dito sa river ng Bilawawa Dam daw. Montalban na to guys, galing kaming Antipolo, border ng San Mateo at Montalban. Ngayon, nasa Montalban na kami and sobrang peaceful dito. Nag-e-echo pre Ayun try natin kung ma-echo ba dito sa lugar na to. Hep! Hep! Paam po ta. Ang pogi ko! When I say ho!
Oh, paa!
Masay, masay!
Bawo paa, masin!
Tangin mo. Responsive my friend.
Yes, tangina mo.
Tangin. Pogi ba ako?
Tangina mo, wag ka nang mangarap!
Ang sakit naman magsalita ng mga taga rito, pre. So ayun guys, kakabalik lang namin and kapagod. Kumusta?
Tiring, but it's worth it. Very enjoyable and fun ride. I haven't felt this kind of enjoyment for a lot of time.
Because
And now,
kidding aside, we are always nasa bahay lang tayo.
Yeah.
Very static yung lifestyle natin. Tapos hindi pa tayo ganong nakakapag-bonding na kasi usually
and everybody's busy, have business and stuff.
yan. This is a perfect day na para
It's just
matanggal
like-
yung stress.
Yeah, chilling, relaxation, but at the same time, we are also taking them with our adventure.
Yan. Ayun, kung gusto nyo masubukan, Mountain Quest.
Yeah.
Yan, Mountain Quest dito sa boundary ng San Mateo and Antipolo. Search nyo lang sa Waze Mountain Quest. Medyo walang signal lang dito pero
And the good
masayang
thing here
alog.
is that even if you get all putik and sand
Yan,
and dust,
Dust.
you can have a bath here,
yan.
just like the XT.
Ang ina nyo, nasa likod ako eh. Lahat ng alikabok nyo, natanggap ko na eh. May merienda ba tayo? Kaya
Wala po.
Ano talaga na ito na Dexter.